Hi dear students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, International Relations, Global Affairs and General Knowledge. Today's topic is about oceans of the world. Let us start. Number 1, the Pacific Ocean, that is the largest ocean and deepest ocean of the world. It lies between North and South America. This is North America, this is South America, Asia, this is from here, this is Russia, and this is Japan, this is China, and this is Asia, and Australia, and this is Australia. Means it lies between, its location is between North, South America, and Australia and Asia. Its deepest point is Mariana Trench. Okay. Now, second ocean is Atlantic Ocean, which is also S-shaped and also known as herring pond. Lies between Europe. This is Europe. Entire Europe below me, and Africa, below is Africa, North America and South America. Let me show you. This is South America, this is Africa, and this is Atlantic Ocean. This is Europe, and this is North America. The famous and dangerous Bermuda Triangle is in it. Number 3, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean lies between Africa. This is Africa. These are the countries of Africa: Somalia, Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Madagascar. Asia, this is from here, this is Saudi Peninsula, this is Iran, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. This is the boundary, and these are also littoral states of Indian Ocean. And Australia, this is Australia. Diego Garcia is a famous island which is under control of USA. This is Maldives country, Somalis country of the Asia, and Somalis country in terms of population of Muslim country. And this is India. These are the Asian countries, and this is entire continent, Indian Ocean. Now, this is Madagascar. Madagascar is an African country, but it is an island covered by water on all sides. This is which is African country is island in Indian Ocean, means Madagascar. Madagascar is a country of Africa, is largest island in Indian Ocean. Largest Bay of Bengal is in the east of India. Let me show you. This is Bay of Bengal. This is entire Bay of Bengal, and this is east of India. This is west of India. Means whenever you are asked where is Bay of Bengal, you may say it lies in the east of India and west of Myanmar and Thailand. Okay. All countries bordering with Indian Ocean is called littoral states of Indian Ocean. Number 4, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean lies in North Pole, are also called as North Pole of the world. Is smallest ocean. It is between Russia, Canada, USA, and Greenland. Let me show you. This is Arctic Ocean in white color. Arctic Ocean. This is Canada. This is United States of America. This is Russia, and this is Greenland. This is Arctic Ocean. Now Antarctic Ocean. Fifth is Antarctic Ocean. This is Antarctic Ocean, white. This is it is also called at South Pole. This is Pacific Ocean. This is New Zealand. This is Australia. Above there is South America, and this is Argentina. This is South America, Argentina, and this is Chile. Now, what is the difference between ocean and sea? Sea is a small part of water lying adjacent to a country. Ocean is large part of water between continents having many seas. Let me show you difference. Now see, from here to here, this is from here to here. This is called ocean, Indian Ocean. Now, sea is a small part lying adjacent of any border of any country. This is border of India, and this is sea. This is Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is bordering Iran, Pakistan, India, Oman, Yemen, and again this is Persian Gulf, which is an arm of Arabian Sea, and goes into this area and bordering Iran, Saudi Arabian Peninsula, and this is UAE, and there is Iraq, Kuwait. These are Persian Gulf. Means small part are 300 nautical miles away from border is called sea, and then this all entire area is called ocean. Now I think you have understood clearly. Now peninsula is a part of land surrounded by water on three sides. Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula of the world. Let me show you the Arabian Peninsula. This is Arabian Peninsula from here, 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 here. This is one side, this is second side, this is third side. Means surrounded, connected with one side with other countries, and from this side, from this side, from this side, which is connected, are surrounded by sea. This is Red Sea, this is Persian Gulf, this is Arabian Sea, this is Babul Mandib, and this is the state of Hormuz. This is called Arabian Peninsula, and there is 12 countries in Arabian Peninsula, and it is largest peninsula of the world. Okay, let us go to our original topic. Now, Iceland is a part of land surrounded by water on all sides. Greenland is the largest island of the world. Borneo is the largest island of Asia. Let me show you the Borneo Islands. This is Indian Ocean, and this is Indonesia, and these are islands. These are islands. This is Pacific Ocean or South China. This is South China Sea and part of Pacific Ocean. This is island. Sri Lanka is also island. Maldives are island. Here is Indigo Garcia Island. Madagascar is surrounded by water, is also an island. Australia is a continent, also an island. Okay, wish you good luck. See you next lecture.